Hey everybody, I got a question for the community that does 3D printing. I downloaded a file from 3D Cults, some wheels and tires from a supplier that I usually deal with. Never had a problem till today. I downloaded it on my computer, used Chitabox, sliced it, saved it, and went to put it on the thumb drive, and went to go print it. And this is what I'm getting with. But anyhow, it says unknown file format. Any help you guys can help me? I've done that twice. Put it on a different thumb drive, resliced it, did everything again, and it still does the same thing. Deleted everything, re-downloaded it, re-sliced it, saved it, all that, put another thumb drive, same thing. Any ideas what's going on? For all you guys at 3D Print, any ideas or any help? Thanks.